Hey guys, it's me, Pooja Murmu here. I am basically making this video just to give intro on who I am. Well, it's been a long time that I've been thinking to post on YouTube or make the vlogs or talk about the situation that I'm like if you could relate to me. That's all I wanted to do from before, and still I am thinking to do that only. Oh, मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी ख़राब हो गई है. I was not this bad in English. I lost my vocabulary. Shit. I was very before from the very it's 2023. I thought I'll start my YouTube channel, but because there's a long story behind it. Why I really want to do. First thing is that I completed my 12 and then I stopped my studies. Well, I was a good student, good in my studies. I was a science student, but due to some reasons I had to stop, or I had to drop. मेरे पास कोई चारा था शायद, अगर मैं बोलूँ तो मेरा ये गलती भी है, मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था. आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड प्रॉपरली. मुझे कोई गाइड करने वाला नहीं था, या फिर मैं समझ नहीं पा रही थी कि सिचुएशन ऐसी नहीं रहती है टाइम के साथ ना. बहुत यू नो मैं तब ऐसी थी जब मैंने पढ़ाई छोड़ा था, क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली में बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी. तो मुझे लगा कोई बात नहीं, टाइम है, इतना एज नहीं हुआ है. मैं इतना बुरी नहीं हूँ पढ़ाई में. आई एम अ गुड. तो मैं बाद में कर लूँगी. आई कैन डू इट. मेरा विल है पढ़ने का, या फिर आई वांट टू डू दिस. तब मतलब मैंने ऐसे सोचा था, तो मैंने इसे ड्रॉप कर दिया. उसके बाद जब 2 साल बीती, 3 साल हुए, लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हुआ, उसके बाद it was like hindering my head, like what am I doing, what am I going to do, will I be able to study like that before, will my mind work like that same, or I don't know. I was lost, confused. I did not know what to do. I was trying all kinds of, I was looking, searching through Google all kind of what is good, or the ways easily I can get what not. I was going through all those things, how easily I can get job, you know really. I know what I think is, you should not stop, no matter what, whatever the reason is. Might be family, especially family. Whatever the reason is, you should not stop. I think you should go on. You should go on. आज मेरे मुंह से सच में इतनी इंग्लिश निकल रही है, वो भी करेक्ट सेंटेंस में. माय गॉड, बहुत साल के बाद मैं इतना इंग्लिश बोल रही हूँ, रियली. वैसे मैंने तो इंग्लिश मीडियम से ही पढ़ा था, और तब मैं हॉस्टल में ही थी, और 2400 घंटे इंटू 365 डेज आई वॉज टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश, ईटिंग इन इंग्लिश, बोल सकती हूँ. उसके बाद तो जब पढ़ाई बंद कर दिया तो सब छूट गया घर पे. घर पे तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे मम्मी पापा को नहीं आता इंग्लिश. वी आर नॉट, वी आर नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, एंड माई मदर इज़ my mother hasn't gone to school any day. They just wanted me to study well. Yeah, they did everything, but unfortunately some life situation, it is, I can't explain this. There are many people who will tell you that you should do this. No, I'm not trying, sorry, I'm not trying to say that. Actually I want to tell that लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ तुम्हारा सिचुएशन ऐसा है, तो वो सिचुएशन को नहीं, उनको नहीं पता है सिचुएशन कितना गहरा है, और क्या मतलब क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है कुछ चीज़ें, पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं हो रही है, या फिर मैंने क्यों रोक दी. इट इज़ ईजी टू से बोलना कि यू कुड हैव डन, It is easy, but the one who is facing knows it. Whether it was like, there are many reasons, like many reasons. It is not easy. Okay, let's not about all that. Okay, so from that on, from 2023, I was thinking to start my YouTube channel, but I did not start. And I am like, I was like, actually I was not sure like what content to make, man. What should I talk on, or what should I? Then little by little now, after it's now 2025, and I really thought that I think I should do this. This is what I like to do, actually, you know. At first, talking to camera was really difficult. I can just talk endless, you know, I just can go on. But when I started, I तो मतलब जब मैंने सोचा कि मैं बनाऊंगी वीडियोस, कैमरा लेके बैठती हूँ, I'm blank. कुछ नहीं निकलता है मेरे मुंह से. I'm just, I don't know what to say. I just really don't know what to say. God, I have a lot of things to tell. Okay, I will not make this too long. It's already been too long. I don't know if you people will really connect to me, whether I can relate to you all people, whether you will like my videos or not. I'm not sure about it, but I just want to talk about real things, real hustle, real struggles, you know. I just want to talk about that. That's all. I hope you will like it. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope someday I'll be famous. Okay. That's what I think from the very beginning of my life, when जब मेरे मतलब थोड़ा सा समझ आया कि मुझे तब से लगा कि अगर इस दुनिया में आए हैं तो कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए कि लोग तुम्हें जब तुम ना रहो तब भी याद रहे, you know, in good sense, in good not in bad, like बुरा नहीं सोच के याद नहीं करना चाहिए, अच्छा सोच के याद करना चाहिए. That's what I want to tell. You know, all from my whatever I have experienced, all I can say for now is, I think whatever it is, I think if you think that is right, I think you should do it and not stop. You should not stop no matter what. You should not stop something no matter what, whether it is your family be the reason, whatever it is. Well, it was an introduction video, but I'm telling you all about my okay, experience that I have gone through. I hope I'm not too long. Sorry, thank you. Sorry. Okay. If possible, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys.